Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, everybody Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today we're looking at a dusty PlayStation 3. Today I want to crack her open and see if there's anything I can do with it. This is given to me for free. Doesn't power on at all. So let's see how complicated this is going to be. You know how these shops like to make everything unbelievably difficult to get into, right? Just because they love us so much. Security? Wait. Security, is that Torx? Good, okay, security Torx. I was worried that it was going to be, I was worried it was going to be a bit something else. Something I don't have. What, no screw? Screw! 3 screws, okay. Alright, Sony, we'll play it your way, 3 screws. That's what we're dealing with. I have a feeling at some point in time I'm going to have to start looking for a video tutorial to see what's going on. Why is that screw blue? Maybe it's a super special screw of some sort or other. Oh, shoot. Look at them, they're all over the place. How many screws do you need, boy? How many screws? At least they're Phillips. I gotta start getting more security Torx because I keep taking them into work. I need them at work, I need them here. Sometimes if you're lucky, you can get a flathead to work. Man, this is going to be a dusty beast on the inside. I can just sense it now. Come on. Oh, wow, that is a lot of dust. It is a lot of dust. And I have to get in there and pop it off like this. Oh, it is not sharp enough. Or, no, it doesn't even get in there, does it? What the heck, Sony? Come on. Oh wow, I think we saved the hard drive, folks. Oh, I'm not even sure if I want to pull this out. Look at all that dust. Yummy. What do we got here? Does it even say? Well, it's a Sony hard drive. Toshiba. Yeah, 120 gigs. Okay. That is about what I was expecting. After dropping this unit on the floor a few times, I'm gonna get right into it. The professional way. Oh wow, look at that fan. That fan is huge. Look at my fan is amazing. And there we got the power supply. That must be the power supply. It doesn't look like a motherboard, that's for sure. Oh wow, look at the flex in that. Why do you flex so much? Oh wow, gotta say for a power supply, that sure is floppy. I wonder if it went in kind of bendy. I've never had a printed circuit board seem so floppy. You know, after a certain amount of time, you just have a hard time getting it up, keeping it up, I suppose, I imagine. Nice. We got the Wi-Fi down here. Got the Wi-Fi down, y'all. Yeah, it really seems like the motherboard's on the very bottom of that, doesn't it? Doesn't seem to be a reasonable way to get to it either. We'll throw it at the floor some more. With 3 more throws at the floor, we get the disk drive off and we get a better idea of what's on the inside of here. Seriously though, that is one giant fan. And I'm impressed. You know, Microsoft would never be smart enough to put a fan this big in their units. You know, when you get the Sony, you got the best, right? So close to seeing what broke the system, and then maybe I can fix it. And then my children will be able to watch Blu-rays. I mean, they could use the Blu-ray player they already have, but now they could use two simultaneously. That means at the same time. I think I'm gonna have to throw this thing at the floor a few more times. After 2 more throws, I can tell you guys that I managed to get the motherboard out of the main system. But seriously, look at this. Seriously, look at the shielding that this unit has. That's a lot. That's a lot. I've never seen a main board. I've never seen a main board so encapsulated like that. Like, how is it not shorting out on something? Really, have any of you ever seen a motherboard that was this well protected? It's like, so if this thing's grounded, then there's no way you'll get any electromagnetic interference. I wonder if motherboards ever have to worry about alien crosstalk like networks need to. And alien crosstalks is when the radiation of the energy going through the lines leaks into other one, the electromagnetic radiation. Unless it's shielded, that's how it works, I believe. Yeah, so all you Sony fanboys out there screaming I'm breaking a beautiful piece of history, I guess they always come by and talk to me about it, and they don't like it very much. If you want it so bad, go buy one. Go buy another one. There's plenty of them out there. This was given to me particularly for this purpose. Maybe not to be thrown on the ground, but as soon as I seen the issues that I was dealing with, I knew I wasn't going to be fixing this thing. The issues that I was dealing with was there's definitely some leakage going on the main board. Once again, seriously, I have never seen this much shielding around a main board. Just around the main board itself. Alright, I finally got it away from its shell. Huh. Looks like they almost wanted to have another chip up here, eh? Wonder what's up with that. If everybody knows, I'd really like to know what was up with that. Oh, I wonder if this was where another board connected to the PlayStation 3 board. Because you see, the original PlayStation 3 had the hardware on it to play original PlayStation and PlayStation 2 discs. And it wasn't emulation. You had a PlayStation 1, a PlayStation 2, and a PlayStation 3 all in one. So maybe that's where it hooked up. But if anybody knows, please tell me. This is a giant motherboard, I gotta say. So I'm just gonna guess. Reality synthesizer. I'm guessing that's gonna be the GPU. So, engine. Actually, I'm guessing it's a GPU and that's a CPU, but the architecture of the Sony has always been crazy and it's always been very difficult to develop for. I don't know about the PS4. If anybody knows out there, let me know. But the PS1, 2, and 3 were all difficult to develop for. Nobody would tell you that up front, but if you caught someone at the right time at a trade show who develops, they'll tell you flat out that Sony's very difficult to develop for. But at the same time, Japanese architecture, oh, got that yellow fever. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Look at those capacitors, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, That's what I'm talking. Seriously though, I have abused this system in order to get into the board, but in the end, lots of fun. Lots of fun. I know how to get into this thing now. And shit, these things are in there harder than Fort Knox. It's just how she goes though. Anyway, this is it for me, ladies and gentlemen. Like, subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I appreciate it, and have a good one. Take it easy. And take care of you.